Ramblings of a Music Teacher, episode 55, the new ABRSM Piano Syllabus. Today, the 7th of June 2018, is the publication date for the new ABRSM Piano Syllabus 2019 to 2020. And in this episode, I am going to tell you how MusicOnlineUK will be able to help you prepare for your music exams over the next couple of years.
MusicOnlineUK.
First of all, I will be making for you video tutorials on selected pieces from the new ABRSM Piano Syllabus. These tutorials will be more than just simple performances, but an in-depth study of things the examiner is likely to be looking out for. As you can appreciate, this is a process that will take some time to prepare. I have no intention of churning out every piece on the syllabus in the shortest possible period of time, at the expense of providing you with good quality. There is one particular channel here on YouTube, mentioning no names, but I'm sure we all know who I am talking about, who does just that. Additionally, I will be writing teaching notes on my blog. There is a link to this page in the description below this video. The problem with a video tutorial is that once it's published, it can't be added to or edited. Often new ideas come to me as I'm teaching my students. I start to notice common mistakes, which on a blog post I can mention and edit at a future date. So check out the link below and bookmark this page, as it will be updated regularly and be a valuable resource for you over the next couple of years. Finally, it is with a little regret that I inform you that Ramblings of a Music Teacher will be taking a small break for summer and be back in September. This is because I want to concentrate on these new tutorials, and as you can appreciate, they will be rather time-consuming. However, Comment of the Week will be continuing and migrating over to the Community tab of this channel, and published as now every Thursday there for the time being, returning here in September. So keep those comments coming. And so to this week's Comment of the Week. This week's comment comes from the LOL Master 2234, who simply said on my video How to Pass an ABRSM Exam Oral Tests, "If you failed to prepare, then prepare to fail." And that's what this channel is all about, helping you to prepare so that you will not fail. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below, and see you all soon for more Ramblings of a Music Teacher.